My name is Charmaine St. Germain, and I teach at W.P. Foster Elementary in St. Mary Parish. As an educator, I'm most passionate about the effects of poverty on education. I teach 4th and 5th grade math classes, and I use the Eureka Math curriculum. It's a math program that focuses on students understanding why numbers work. I also incorporate whole brain teaching strategies, which is direct teaching, but centers on active learning, where the students become the teacher and the teacher facilitates the learning. Whole brain teaching strategies also focuses on rituals and routines. And the 5th grade class, almost all the students I've already taught in 4th grade, so they know all my expectations and procedures. I have also found that whole brain teaching strategies accommodate all learners. Today you will see a culminating 5th grade lesson where the students are asked to solve real world problems, or as I like to call them, real life problems. Prior to this lesson, the students have used area models and tape diagrams to model fraction multiplication to show equivalence and to convert fractions to decimals and decimals to fractions. In this particular topic, topic F of Module 4, we've been comparing the size of the product to the size of one of the factors, called the scaling factor. The students will be asked to apply and extend their knowledge and understanding because they will be asked to multiply a fraction by a fraction and a whole number by a fraction. They then will be asked to express the product as a fraction and a decimal. This will connect to the next topic because the students will learn how to divide a whole number by a fraction. Okay, let's get started. Class?
Yes, yes.
Let's point and read. Solve word problems using fraction and decimal multiplication. Okay, so let's think about where we've been and what we've done. Solving word problems, is when we're taking everything that we know and putting it into a real life situation. Because that's the whole point of learning all the strategies is so that we can use it in our real life situations, right? Okay, so first we started with multiplying fractions with fractions. And actually remember when we started we had unit fractions. With unit fractions, what did unit mean? A one in the numerator, all right? Then we went from multiplying fractions with decimal fractions and fractions with whole. So now we're going to use everything that we've learned. We're going to put it together and apply it. Fluency, we want to be fast and efficient and quiet. What we're going to do first?
Compare the size of a product to the size of one factor.
Okay, mirror words.
Mere words.
My two factors
My two factors.
I'll multiply together
I'll multiply together
to get my product.
to get my product.
Two factors
Two factors.
multiply together,
Multiply together.
get the product.
Get the product.
They may be fraction factors.
They may be fraction factors.
We multiply together
We multiply together
to get the product.
to get the product.
Mirrors off.
There's all.
Good job. Now, on your board, fill in the missing numerator. Quick. You want to equal one whole. Good. Got it. Yes. Awesome. Okay, everybody looks good. Very good. Ready? Say, don't write. Say the missing.
Times 1 equals 6.
So we know if we multiply anything times 1, we're going to get the same thing. Now, fill in the missing fraction. Yes. You just have to write the fraction. Good job. Whoa, look at it again. Yes. No, look at it again. Yes. We want to make one whole. Yes. Good job. Yes. Now you got it. Yes. Now you got it. Yes. Oh, look at it again, Jay. If my mirror words, if my numerator matches my denominator, I know how divide the whole thing. Remember? There's off. So I needed a 3 in the numerator. Okay, now remember what we learned about when we're multiplying times the scaling factor. Remember how it could affect our product. So now you want a fraction that will make your product less than what you started with. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Yes, that will work. Yes, yes, good job. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, that will work. Yes, yes, yes. Good job, y'all. Yes, yes. Fantastic.
267.
Thank you. And remember, if those your picture name, get your Germex. Make sure your mask is up. And then get your pen.
Yes, yes.
A vial contains 20 milliliters of medicine.
If each dose is 1/8 of the vial, how many milliliters is each dose? Express your answer as a decimal.
Okay, first we have two. Underline 20 milliliters. Medicine is a label. Each means 1/8. How many milliliters each dose? And we're going to put our answer what? This is important. As a decimal. Okay. Pate, you up. We can draw a tape diagram. And make it pretty good size, okay? Okay. And what do we have to deal with? Yes, ma'am. So how many? Talk to me. Vertical lines. Yes. And if the teachers are doing on the board, you should be doing the what? The exact same thing. Count and make sure that you have your 8 pieces.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Somebody, y'all got 8? No. Remember you could ask it as a question. To say, what is your whole? Huh? And where we're going to put that? Okay. Hold on. All right, Caleb, you up. Okay, so what else do we know? So, how we can show that on a tape diagram? Put your fraction. Good job. And we actually could put, remember we always have an unknown. So what can we put inside that box? Question mark. 'Cause that's what we're solving for. All right, now we got a nice little picture to organize our thoughts and our information in our problem. So, let's think about what we're doing. We're asking what question? Okay, but now that we have our information pulled out, remember a skill that we worked on a couple of days ago when we were making expressions with a fraction of a whole number? What are you actually asking? Caleb? Now that it's specific to the problem, you're asking what's? No, specifically, what's your fraction? Of what? Talk in a complete sentence. What is of what? Okay, put it in the complete question. I'm asking, what is 1/8 of what? Yeah, but you said it in a complete sentence. What is? Yes, give him a round of applause. All right, do it. Let's read number 1. An artist builds a sculpture out of metal and wood that weighs 14 and 9/10 kilograms. Are you with me? 3/4 of this weight is metal and the rest is wood. How much does the wood part of the sculpture weigh? Okay, so let's think about what that's giving me. That's giving me a whole, right? And it's giving me a fraction of the weight. So you could choose to do that one where you would do like we start off with Caleb and Peyton, right? Let's look at number 2. You may want to do this one. Let's read. On a boat, there. Hold on. Class. Let's read with rhythm, okay? So our brain has time to hear what our mouth is saying. On a boat, for half as many children as there are adults. There are 30 people on the tour. How many children are there? Okay, so let's pull out the important information there. What they trying to hide? The half. So let's pull it out. They're not going to trick us. Half as many children as adults. And there are 30 people on the tour. How many children? Okay, so this one would be like the if there are half as many children as adults. Yes. Right. Okay, so you get to choose. Do either number 1 or 2. Don't try to do both. You're not going to have time. Ready? When you get it done, I want you to draw your tape diagram and put your name on it so I can give you some extra points. Right? Now, tomorrow we're going to take what we learned today about the fractions and our fraction decimals, and we're going to take it a step further and extend it going on into multiplying our decimal fractions together in a new strategy. You already did it? All right. Go, y'all got 2 minutes. During my lesson, to ensure that my objective was met, I monitored the students' engagement throughout our problem solving. At the end of the lesson, I gave them a formative assessment, an exit ticket. After reviewing the video and the exit tickets, I found that the students all had a good understanding of the lesson objective. They were able to model their problem of choice with a tape diagram, and they either showed multiplication of a fraction with a fraction or a fraction with a whole number. But some of them didn't get to complete their computation. So what I would have changed or done differently is to not spend so much time on the first part of the lesson where we do fluency review of previously learned skills to allow for more time to complete the exit tickets at the end of the lesson. So what I would do in the future and what I plan to do starting with the next lesson is to adjust my time allotments to allow for more time for the students to complete their exit tickets and also ample time for student volunteers to share their strategies of how they solve their problem of choice. Again, thank you for your time to view my video. I hope you have a good one.